Hello, I'm back again with another recipe. This is very easy recipe, and it's one of our favorites. It's a kind of fatayer, which is dough mixed with Italian oregano and some white cheese. This is like Mediterranean white cheese, Nabulsi, Akawi, and halloum. I mixed the three types. First step, I'm gonna add the yeast to warm milk. Okay, 2 tablespoons with a teaspoon of sugar. Let it sit on the side. Now we start with the flour. And since I'm using 2% milk, I like to add just powdered milk, like a few spoons. I'm gonna add 4 since this is teaspoon. If you have whole milk, just use whole milk. Then we're gonna start by adding the oil. So at this point, I'm gonna add the cheese. Okay. So it is going to be soft dough, which is fine. Don't be scared of it. It's not gonna be like regular dough. We're gonna cover it and let it rise. Here is my fatayer out of the oven, whatever you're gonna call it, cheese and oregano, الجبنة الزعتر, whatever. I have no name for it. So let's see, it's very hot still, as you can see. Very fluffy, soft, very soft dough, and the cheese. So nice. Okay, here you go, my dogs. Hello. I'm not gonna feed you. I hope you make it and you like it. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other accounts at TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, all under Tamara's Kitchen. See you again in different recipe. Bye bye.